Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will show you how to turn on multi-guest requests on TikTok live. So let's get started. First of all, you have to start a live stream on TikTok. Then you have to tap the plus icon. Then you have to tap on the plus icon, as I told earlier, this option. You then have, after tapping onto it, you will see an option called go live. You have to select that option, enter title for your stream, then tap go live to begin your broadcast. During your live session, tap the add guest button at the bottom of the screen. This will activate the multi-guest feature. You will now be able to invite multiple viewers to join your stream. Viewers can send a request to join by tapping the request to join button. As the host, you can accept or decline guests' requests in real time. Mind this important notes that your account's eligibility and TikTok's current policies and regional availability depends on it. Like the multi-guest feature ability may vary based on these two options, like accounts eligibility and your TikTok's regional availability. So, and that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if this video helped. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.